Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this extra glam Christmas look. So I wanted to kind of give you guys some little inspiration for Christmas because Christmas is around the corner. It's my favorite time of the year. I love to give. So I wanted to kind of show you guys this full face, kind of using a lot of the Profusion Holiday Collection. They sent me a PR package. Shout out to you, girl. On a PR family, right? So I want to kind of show you guys what they sent me, but I want to kind of do a nice holiday glam look. So in my PR package, they sent me the Profusion Mixed Metals, and this is the pink sparkle set. You guys have already seen my review on the holiday collection, and if you haven't, click the link down below to check it out. And I already love it. I'm just gonna tell you, I love it. I really do love this holiday collection. So I already did a swatch sort of thing of this guy already because I bought this. I bought a whole bunch of stuff from their holiday collection, but they just sent me some more stuff, so they hooked your girl up. They also sent me the highlight and contour little kit, which I really love. I was kind of scared at first because usually these kind of contour shades don't work on me, but they actually work. And they also sent me the Bare Eyes eyeshadow makeup case, which are more for kind of a nice neutral look. I have not opened this guy yet, so I don't know what I will do with this yet. They also sent me the Wanderlust palette. This is the other palette that I didn't buy when I bought all the other holiday stuff. I bought like the other 3 palettes and I didn't buy this one, so they actually sent me this one, which I was really excited because now I have the full collection of all the eyeshadow palettes, and this one's actually really pretty, and I kind of like, why didn't I get this one? So it has all these purples and pinks, some greens and blues, and some browns. I haven't opened this one yet either. So, and lastly they sent me some lips, thank God, because I totally forgot to grab some. So they sent me the Fierce lip set. It came with a matte lipstick, it came with a lip liner which matched the lipstick, and it came with a Fierce lip strobe, which is a different color, so it kind of helps bring a little brightness to the lip, and it's also like, it's like a lip gloss with color. So I really like that. You guys know I don't really do a lot of shiny lips, but this is really pretty. It's not too overly shiny, and if you pair it with the matte lipstick, then you won't get that extra glossy look. So that's one thing I love. So I want to show this look, but this eye look I used the Temptress palette from the holiday collection, not the palette they sent me, because I did this eye look when I went to work yesterday and I got so many compliments, so I had to do it for you guys. It's really easy to recreate, so I was just all about trying to use a lot of Profusion products. I have so much of it, so I really want to use it and give you guys all this demo because I feel like this company is so underrated. I haven't heard a lot about it on YouTube, so I want to be the voice for it. Okay guys, you heard it first here on Jackie and Net. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and no further ado, let's get into the makeup look. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to go ahead and start off with the Smashbox 24-hour primer. I love this primer, but I'm going to be real with you guys. This primer kind of dries pretty fast, so with these eyeshadows you want to make sure you blend a lot once you apply the primer, because it will feel like as if you cannot get a good blend from the eyeshadows, but it's just a primer, I promise. It's not the quality of the eyeshadows. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to go into this palette is the color Courage, and I'm just going to use that under the eyebrow and blend that out. Then I'm going to go into Amber, and I'm going to use that into my crease and kind of buff that out also. And here's where I was talking about where the color just seemed like it wouldn't blend out, but I promise you guys, if you blend out a lot, then you will get the same look that I got. You just have to make sure you just blend out the edges really well. It's the primer, it kind of makes everything kind of stiff, but the primer does last for 24 hours. So I'm going back into Courage, and I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit more and to kind of smooth out the redness. So you'll see that it kind of disappears a little bit, and then I'm going to go back into the red shade Amber and kind of add a little bit more just to kind of make it more detailed. So I'm just going back and forth with the colors just so I can get the desired look that I'm looking for. The next color I'm going to go into is Champ, and this color I'm going to use only on the outer V and just really into the crease to kind of deepen the crease a bit. So I'm going to take my time and just blend it on the outer V part of my eye and just blend it into the crease. So like I said, guys, just make sure you blend, and I'm going to go back and forth in between the redder shade with the brown shade and the lighter shade, just trying to make sure I get the nice consistent look that I'm looking for. And with this primer, guys, you just really have to work the eyeshadows. I've noticed even with any eyeshadows that I use with this primer, you just have to work the eyeshadows. So I'm just going to add some concealer to my lids to kind of help with the next few eyeshadows, because I really want them to pop. And I noticed when I just use a little bit of concealer on top with my primer, it just helps make things pop. So I'm going to go into the shades Conquest and Glory, and I'm just going to mix those two together. I just kind of dip the brush back and forth in between the two and just pop that on the lid, and as you can see, they are blinging together. So I love these two eyeshadows. And then I'm going to go back in my crease and kind of just touch up any other eyeshadows that I might have messed up while putting the glitter shadows, because I have a hooded lid. Now I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Mattifying Primer, and I'm just going to use that to go ahead and prime my face with. It just sets really well with my foundations. And then I'm going to go into my Range Beauty foundation, and I'm going to use the color Sienna Rose to go ahead and, you know, put that on my face for foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations. You guys already know this. So for concealer, I'm using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer just a little bit in the inner corner. Then I'm taking the applicator and going into the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. I'm only using this because I really want to use up the last of this concealer. And I like the way it kind of just blends out a little bit with this foundation. So I just want to kind of use it up. And I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer with some Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Deep. And I'm using this setting powder because that MAC Pro Longwear Concealer is really bright. So I kind of want to tone it down just a bit. And then the next step, because I'm using another setting powder on top of this one, I kind of want to make sure that the one I'm starting with is a little bit deeper. So now I'm going to go into the Profusion Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Beige Light. I lied. Sorry. I'm going to use my medium Chesil and Warm Sculpt shades to kind of do the little contouring on my face. And I am going to go into Beige Light to kind of just dust on top of my other powder, but you know, that's going to be a little bit later. So here is that beige light color. I'm just taking my brush and I'm just kind of patting it over that Laura Mercier powder, and I've noticed it gave me a nice smooth finish, so I really like that, and it didn't leave me with that white cast. So now I'm going to go ahead and dust the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder to kind of blend all my other powders together and to kind of set the rest of my foundation. And I'm going to take this rosy blush from NYX. I was trying to find something just as affordable as the Profusion, so I'm just going to use that to go ahead and blush up my cheeks. And to highlight, I'm going to use Opal Glow to go ahead and glow up that face, girl. I am dying over this highlight. I can't believe this palette is so affordable, and this highlight is so blinging. It is really nice. And lastly, girls, I'm going to go ahead and take this Fierce lip set and I'm going to go ahead and use the liner only. I'm just going to go ahead and line most of my lips with this liner, and then I'm going to use the topper or the lip gloss to go ahead and pop that on to give myself a nice shiny coat, and that will be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will definitely try out the Profusion products, and I will leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. Bye guys.
Perfect.